Uy, grabe ka init. Hasta dyong inita. Grabe ka tinao sa langit. Kabalo ba ka pag naka-hybrid solar ka? Mas malipay ka pag ani ka init? Hello mga ka-hybrid! My name is Ice. And today, ipakita na sa inyo ha, ang advantage of having a hybrid solar at home. And just wanna show you our hybrid setup. Yan, as you can see, it's generating. Oh, grabe guys, sayo pa lang, nakahalos full bar na siya. And here, ma-encourage ka to do a lot of things, lalo na ako na ako'y oven sa balay, and gusto na ako mag-bake kung daghan guys, kay sayang anli ang akong kuryente diri. So akong gibuhat guys ng laba ko, gipang on na mga aircon guys. So my kids are really just so happy by staying indoors kay lamig kay ang kwarto without worrying the power na na-consume naman for today. And here, nagluto na ko guys. Tanan na lang guys, gibake na ko for our store. So it's actually your source of income, and at the same time makasave pa ka. And the best part is, dili ka guilty kay kabalo ka na libre imong ginagamit na power energy from hybrid solar. So having this hybrid solar is really best, especially if you're making a living at home. So here guys, if may mga frozen products ka, may ginabenta ka, lalo na pag may ginabake ka for your store, it's really an advantage for us. Lalo na wala tayo ginaisip ng bayro noon monthly. Just imagine guys how much you can save with this hybrid solar. And actually, karong panahon sa nagtabo na nagyera guys, ang panahon na jud ang gahatag sa tugrason guys, why you should opt for hybrid solar. And common mistake sa iban, since nagtaas na gyud ang presyo sa tong gas, is they thought that maybe having electric vehicle is the answer. Pero wala sila kabalo guys, grabe makakonsume ang electric vehicle. Lalo na this coming months, natin threat sa tong power shortage. So paano ba dili ta ma-interrupt sa tong pag-charge sa tong EV? Still, the answer is get the hybrid solar. So ikaw, magpapahuli ka ba?